Welcome to the demo of the subjective programming test prepared by ConceptNinjas. Each employer is given an authorization token. The employer can distribute the URL to the candidate whom he wants to test in subjective programming. The candidate will land on the instruction page. Once he is done reading the instructions and is ready for the test, he will click on Start Test. On the summary page, he will see list of questions along with their time and status. He will pick a question and he will click on Attempt Question. In the question detail page, he will be displayed the timer, the problem statement, constraints if any, and also the sample test data. The purpose of sample test data is to help candidate understand the problem statement in a better way and also help the candidate write a better program. The candidate will select a language that he wants to attempt this problem in. He will write his logic inside the method area. Now say that the programmer has done a compilation error in his program. He can click on Compile and Test. A status section will be shown which will display the current status of his program. Like in this example, the candidate has done a compilation error and the compilation error details are shown here. The candidate will go back and fix his compilation error and again click on Compile and Test. His program will be again checked for compilation errors if any. If there is no compilation error, then his program will be run against the sample test cases which were displayed in the test case section, and the result of the sample test cases will be displayed in the status section. Like at this stage, there is no compilation error and the programmer's logic has passed all the sample test cases successfully. Once the candidate is done writing his program, he can click on Submit Code. Again, his code will be checked for compilation errors, and now his logic will be checked against many test cases which are written to check his programming skill. Based on the test cases result, marks will be allocated to the candidate. He can come back and attempt other questions. Once he is done attempting all the questions, he can click on Submit Test button. At this stage, his test will be submitted and a detailed report will be sent to the employer giving finer details about the candidate's programming skill. Thus, subjective test prepared by ConceptNinjas helps an employer evaluate a candidate's programming skill. Thank you.